Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to yet another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at tutorial that is inspired by the comments that you guys have posted in the comment section over the past few weeks. Many of you asked us about the different ways in which you can install apps on your Honor 9X Pro, and this video will show you exactly how to do that. And before we get started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications for more videos like this. Now let's begin the video. Now before we get started with the tutorial, let's take a brief look at the feature highlights of the Honor 9X Pro. So this device comes with a 6.59-inch large Full HD Plus IPS panel, and this touchscreen is uninterrupted in terms of a notch or display cutout, since it has a pop-up camera that gives you a large uninterrupted screen experience, be it for gaming or video watching. This means that you have a truly immersive experience regardless of whether you're watching movies on Netflix, videos on YouTube, or playing a PUBG session as well, which you are able to enjoy at its full potential thanks to the octa-core Kirin 810 7nm chipset inside it, along with a Mali G52 MP6 GPU as well. There's a 4000 mAh battery under the hood which charges over USB Type-C, and it also comes with 3 cameras at the back, of which the primary one is a 48MP f1.8 sensor. You get an 8MP ultra wide angle camera, and finally a 2MP depth sensor as well. And as we discussed earlier, it also comes with a 16MP motorized pop-up camera with f2.2 aperture. The device also comes with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage that can further be expanded using the micro SD card slot. Now, the Honor 9X Pro does not come with the Google Play Store, but it does in fact have an app store, and a large one at that, as it has the world's third largest app store, which is App Gallery, and Honor says that you get access to over 95% of the top used apps in India through App Gallery. And some of these apps include TikTok, Truecaller, Viber, Paytm, Zomato, Flipkart, SDFC, ICICI, SBI, Arogya Setu, and much more. Now, it's actually impossible to list out the entire set of apps that are available on App Gallery, but what I can do is actually put an image across which shows you some of the most important apps that are available on App Gallery. In order to get started downloading apps, all you need to do is log in with your Huawei ID, and then you can search for the app that you want and then just download it directly from App Gallery. In case you don't already have a Huawei ID, all you need to do is basically create one, which is free of cost, and then get started on downloading apps. But what if you want to install WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, etc., or one of the apps that are not available on the App Gallery? How do you go about things then? Well, what you can do is simple. Basically, go to the App Gallery, search for the app that you want, and for example, say the app that you want to install is Facebook, it will give you the link to the official website and redirect you there, where you can download the APK and then install it onto your phone. You also have the option to download APKs from third-party websites such as APK Mirror, APK Pure, and so on. Now, in case you're wondering on how you can install APKs on your smartphone, it's actually very simple. All you need to do is download the APK from the website, and you will see the download notification once it's done. Simply click on that and that will open the installer automatically. In case you accidentally swipe away or dismiss the notification that shows that the download is complete, you can make use of File Manager by heading into the download section and finding the APK that you require and clicking on it to bring up the installation again. The next step involves giving permission to that particular installer to install files onto your smartphone itself. One of the questions that many of you may have is whether APKs are safe to be installed or not. Generally, when you download from the official sources as well as trusted third-party websites such as APK Mirror and APK Pure, they tend to be safe. But then again, Honor has made sure to double check on the safety procedure by including a built-in scanner that actually scans the APK before you're allowed to install it onto your smartphone itself. So that way, it's actually safe to install APKs as well onto your smartphone, even if you're not directly downloading it from App Gallery. Once the application has been installed, you get two options to either close the window or open the application itself, and you also get an option to either retain the APK installation file in the downloads folder or delete it upon your exit from the window or opening of the app. We hope that this tutorial answered your questions on what are the different ways by which you can install apps onto the Honor 9X Pro, and if you have any further questions or any other video suggestions, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.